Here I've got GEOTEL Pace to Lite, and let me show you how to activate and use boot mode on the following device. So at first, let's turn off your phone, tap on power key to do it, select power off, and click on OK to confirm. As only your device is switched off, tap on power key and volume up key and hold both keys all together until you are in boot mode. And here it is. As you can see, now we are in boot mode, in which you can navigate by using volume up key, and for selection use volume down key. So boot mode allows you to activate recovery mode, fast boot mode, and also go back to normal mode. So let me go back to normal mode by tapping on volume down key. And as you can see, within a couple of seconds you will be back in the normal mode, and you will be able to use your device as usually. And this is it. As you can see, now we are back in the normal mode. Congrats! Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.